In this lesson, we'll put the person's hair over the title of the magazine to give the design depth. So for this digital manipulation, we're going to start by getting the rectangular marquee tool, and we're going to select the top of the person's head. We're going to duplicate this selection. Select the photo layer. Now, here is a shortcut key that I use a lot. I'll select something on a layer, and then I will duplicate that selection onto a new layer. The shortcut key for that is Command J. Let's try it, Command J. Now, it doesn't look like anything happened, did it? Because the image is up here. It's the same image as the image that's under it, but it's just a selection of that image. Let's turn off the original photograph layer to see that selection. That's on a new layer. See that? That selection's on a new layer now. Let's rename that layer IMG_4100 and then write head and press return. I'm just copying what the photo number is here onto this layer. You would be writing whatever photo name and number your photo is on that new layer. Let's take that layer and drag it all the way to the top of the layers panel, so it's covering the word contrast. So the next part is, I alluded to this at the beginning of this assignment. Go to the Properties panel. If you don't see it open, go to Windows and click on Properties. And come down here to the Remove Background button. Let's click that. When we click that button, it removes the background of the photo and adds in a layer mask. So that's another technique that you can use to create a layer mask and to remove the background at the same time. Let's turn on the original photo layer at the bottom. And now the person's head looks like it's going over the word contrast. But the person's body is still under the articles. That's an advanced technique in Photoshop. Let's do a Command S to save. We're all done with this assignment. You've taken a photo of a person with interesting lighting. The photo has a story to tell. You put the photo inside of a magazine cover, which has text with a title, lead article, articles, and UPC barcode. And you have arranged everything in the design to make it look professional for the book rack at a bookstore.